Take a breath right now. Now think about this. You just did that consciously. You chose to. But for the last hour before you started watching this video, your body took roughly 1,000 breaths without asking you. Your heart beat around 4,000 times. Your digestive system moved food through 30 feet of intestine. Your blood vessels expanded, contracted hundreds of times to regulate your temperature, and you were completely unaware of all of it. This is an entire operating system running inside your body right now and continuously without your input or permission. It is called the autonomic nervous system. And it is quietly, invisibly making more decisions about your body in a single hour than you consciously make in an entire day. Look, I'm not going to pretend the science isn't dry sometimes, but here's the truth. You can't master what you don't understand. And the mechanics behind stillness and wellness aren't just textbook fluff. They are the blueprint that separates people who exist from people who actually live. Stick with it. Build that foundation, because what's coming next is where everything clicks into place. The real conversations, the deeper tools, the moments that shift something in you permanently. Don't go anywhere. It's about to get good. Let's get the lay of the land. Your nervous system has two broad divisions. The somatic nervous system, that's the one you control, you move your hand, you blink, you turn your head. Voluntary, you're in charge. And the autonomic nervous system, that's the one that runs without you. Heart rate, digestion, breathing rate, pupil dilation, sweating, blood pressure, hormone release, immune response, automatic. Hence the name. You cannot will your heart to stop. You cannot consciously tell your liver what to do. You cannot decide to digest faster. The autonomic nervous system owns all of that territory, and it does not take requests. Now, within the autonomic nervous system, there are two subdivisions, and understanding these two is where everything clicks. They are called the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous system. And the simplest way to understand them, the way that will make everything else make sense, is this one. One is the gas pedal, the other one is the brake. The sympathetic nervous system is your gas pedal. Its job is to mobilize you, to prepare your body for action, for effort, for danger. You already know its signature feeling. You've just never had a name for it. Your heart speeds up, your breathing gets faster and shallower, your muscles get a surge of blood, your pupils dilate to let in more light, your digestion pauses because digesting lunch is not a priority when something is chasing you. Your palms sweat, your senses sharpen. This is the famous fight or flight response. The sympathetic system is the on switch. And here is what's critical to understand. It does not require a physical threat to activate. A difficult conversation, a looming deadline, a notification from someone who stresses you out, sitting in traffic, watching the news. Your sympathetic nervous system cannot tell the difference between a predator and a passive-aggressive email. The body responds the same way. Same hormones, same physical cascade, same redirection of resources. The gas pedal gets pressed whether you need the speed or not. Now the other side. The parasympathetic nervous system is your brake pedal. Its nickname is rest and digest. And this is the actual scientific term, not a metaphor. When the parasympathetic system takes over, your heart rate slows, Your breathing deepens, your digestion resumes, your muscles release tension, your blood pressure drops, your body shifts from spending resources to restoring them. This is the system active when you're deeply relaxed, when you're sleeping, when you feel genuinely safe, when you're eating a calm meal or sitting somewhere peaceful, or in the middle of a long exhale. The parasympathetic system is also the reason slow, deep breathing actually works to calm you down. And this is not folk wisdom, this is physiology. The vagus nerve, the main highway of parasympathetic system that we will learn in near future, directly connects your brainstem to your heart, lungs, and gut. When you take a slow, extended exhale, you are physically activating the nerve. You are manually pressing the brake pedal. You are, in that moment, overriding the gas. Here's where this stops being biology and starts being your actual life. Most people in modern world are living with their gas pedal partially pressed all the time. Not fully floored, not crisis, just always a little on, a low-level hum of sympathetic activation that never fully switches off. Chronic mild stress, constant stimulation, screens before bed, always slightly behind, always slightly worried, never fully landing in rest. And the body keeps score. Chronically elevated sympathetic activation is linked to elevated cortisol. And this established science. Disrupted sleep, impaired digestion, increased inflammation, higher blood pressure, and a weakened immune response over time. This is not catastrophizing. This is the downstream effect of a system that was designed for short bursts of activation and now being asked to run as a background process indefinitely. Your body is not built to be always on. The parasympathetic system is not a luxury. It is not something you get to once you've finished everything on your to-do list. It's maintenance, mandatory maintenance for every system in your body. Now the part that matters. You cannot directly control the autonomic nervous system. That's the whole point. It's autonomous, but you have more influence over it than you think, because there are inputs it responds to, and you can choose those inputs. Like breathing, specifically a longer exhale than inhale. This is the most direct, fastest route to parasympathetic activation available to you. The science is solid, and the mechanism is covered extensively in Huberman lab study. Check out the link below in description. Another one is cold exposure, brief cold, a cold shower. Cold water on the face initially spikes the sympathetic activation, but the recovery from it trains the system. The rebound into parasympathetic state gets faster with practice. Deep sleep is the longest, most complete parasympathetic state your body enters. Protecting it is not a lifestyle preference, it is system maintenance. Being around people you genuinely feel safe with activates the parasympathetic system. Research suggests loneliness does the opposite. Your nervous system reads your relationships. Regular physical exercise, the kind that raises your heart rate and then lets it come back down. It trains the autonomic nervous system to shift between states more efficiently. The flexibility of the system matters as much as the state itself. None of these is difficult. All of them are simple. The hard part is believing they're serious enough to prioritize. Most of what your body does today, you won't decide. You won't decide your heart rate, you won't decide your blood pressure, you won't decide whether your immune system is running well or running ragged. The autonomic nervous system will decide that. Quietly, constantly, based on the signals your environment and habits are feeding it. You're not as in control of your body as you think. But you're not as out of control as you might feel either. The system responds to inputs, and inputs you can choose. Your body has a gas pedal and a brake. Most of us have forgotten the brake exists. Remember it and use it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like, subscribe, and stay close. This channel is built for people who are done settling and ready to actually live.